Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forex coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the Great British Pound USD. But before we get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pocket, especially in these troubling times. Okay. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and break down this chart and this currency pair. First, starting with this currency pair. Okay. So, first thing we are going to discuss is what's happening with the British pound. Now, the British pound has been one of our weaker currencies coming into this trading week and still remains one of our weaker currencies. Um, the British pound has been one of our weaker currencies throughout these latter trading weeks and is coming into this trading week still is our weaker currency. And this is just solely due, we've been having a lot more negative news and positive news coming out about the British pound. Also, coupled with the fact that the British pound is suffering from some of the worst inflation it's ever seen in its history, and this inflationary crowd is being driven by the uncertainty of the geopolitics between the Russian and Ukraine conflict and how it destabilized the entire European continent's economy as a whole. So, with all these precipitating factors, this is making us to have a weak Great British pound. Well, the only time we're going to have any type of significant long-term trajectory of strength is if we get some type of ceasefire or halt in hostilities between Russia and Ukraine. Okay. Now, with the US dollar is coming into the beginning part of this trading week as one of our stronger currencies, but we have to take that with a grain of salt. And this is solely due to several different factors. First one is that we've been having a lot more negative news and positive news coming out about the US dollar. And this negative news that's been coming out about the US dollar has slowed down its trajectory of the strength that has been gaining over the last several trading weeks and has actually slowed down and stagnated. And also what's contributed to this stagnation as well is a rise in the gas prices. Okay. The rise in the gas prices is causing the US dollar to become much, much weaker. If you want an understanding between the gas and the US dollar, I strongly suggest that you watch USD CAD video when we go into great detail. And last but not least, on Wednesday, we have a lot of CPI information coming out concerning the US dollar. And with the CPI information, it will let us know how the degree of our inflation. Okay. And if these numbers come out too high, then that means that our inflation is getting out of control and we can start to see a weakening of the US dollar. These numbers come out very small, that means our inflation is shrinking and we'll start to see a strengthening of the US dollar. So Wednesday will give us a good trajectory on what is the strength of the US dollar, but as of right now, it's currently coming into this part of a trading week as one of our stronger currencies, but it is behaving as weak. Okay, what makes it prime for retracement? Okay, so how far can we retrace? Okay, then we did start to come up some, and now we started to go back down. But how far can we retrace up? We could retrace as far as here, here, or here before we start to range back out and can possibly continue to go into the fundamental long-term short into the long-term short position. Okay. Now, if we start to see very aggressive picks up in price towards the buy side and very pathetic candles going towards the short side, then we can safely say we're going to be looking at price turnover very soon, especially if the fundamentals start to change, in which the USD starts to get a lot of negative news and with the CPI numbers start to become one of our weaker trading currencies. Okay. So once again, we are looking for retracement and how far we're looking for buys as a form of retracement, possible price turnover. How far it can go as far as here, here, or here before ranging out and going back down. Okay. Now, if you guys enjoy our content, we ask that you guys please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get up-to-date information and notifications on every time we drop new trading content. Also, we ask that you please like and share our videos. Liking and sharing our videos will allow our content to get pushed further out there into YouTube, and it will allow us to continue to build our community of profitable traders. Okay. Also, we ask that you guys please reach out to us either through commenting directly on whatever videos that you watch, or by either our email or our social medias. The links to our email and our social media is listed in the description of every video. Please reach out to us and let us know what charts that you guys want broken down. All you have to do is let us know what charts that you guys want broken down, and we will break them down for you. Just either leave a comment or email us or reach out to us through our social medias. Look, our email link and our link to our social medias are listed in the description of every video. With that being said, happy trading.